Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode on my channel. So welcome back. Guess what your boy just found? That's right, you guessed it, suckers. Your boy found a secret lockpick door. And this is one that I've never seen before. Okay? So we're gonna hop right into this. And so yeah. Please give me something good. Don't be difficult. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is sick. Look at how cool this is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this place is ridden with loot, dude. Okay, that's all I want. Okay, good. Then run out. Try to bait him in. Yeah, let's go. Obviously, I want to bring my best armor that I have on me, which is my hunter stuff and my survivor jackets and stuff, because I've never done this one before. I've only done the basement one in the derelict house, and that one was hard enough. Had a lot of doggos and a lot of other things, but I had it in the bag, nonetheless. Come on. Freaking kill ya. Nope, screw that. And they can still attack me when I'm leaving. That's dumb. Stop with that garbage. Alright, punks. You freaking want some? We're about to get some. I'm about to run out of melee weapons. You gotta be kidding me. Whatever. We're going melee weapons. Screw that. Actually, no. Bop. I just realized something. You can keep doing this all day long. Dang, had a wall throw on her. Nice. I stole a gun off of a corpse. I'm such a good guy. Yeah, I'm such a good guy. Dude, they all at once come after me. Screw that. Alright, whatever. Dude, I am busy. Wow, this game is stupid. I'm joking. I didn't want to leave the area, and it still made me leave. I hate you. Thank you for ruining my armor. Appreciate it. Dude, I need an assault rifle for this garbage because this is getting ridiculous. I should open up the thing. Okay. Good night. Thank you, God. Sun's out, guns out. Bitches. Oh, was it not nice? Oh. No. Yes. Dude, there's so much good crepe in here. Those two big chase. Go get some more. Yes, you suck, you little turd face. Okay, so there y'all have it, man. After entering and re-entering like 5,000 times, I finally got the room to myself. Looky, y'all. Looky. Oh, is that a gun locker? Dude, if that's a gun locker, that's dope. Hey, good smurf great metal. Let me see what is in here. I don't want these trash seeds. Yes, let's get it. Yeah. Are you serious? Error. Oh, never mind. Total was the gun locker, and it didn't give me any of my stuff. Dude, I just got cheated out of loot. That is not cool. Bite me, game, bite me. Dude, that is so dumb. I just got cheated out of my loot. There it is. And I bet you when I re-enter it ain't gonna be there. But the enemies are sure gonna be there again. Yep. I got cheated out of my freaking loot. Y'all seen what was in there too. Typical. Well, whatever. Y'all seen it? He was here. That's that, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. So, yeah, bye. Oh, like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe.